But it's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. I am back. I got one more video for you guys. This is going to be a little bit of a long one because I got 3 boxes from Ipsy this month. I got the icon box, the boxycharm, and the bag. This is the Beauty Olympics, you guys. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Thank you so much to Ipsy for sending me the 3 boxes for free to review. I kind of did a little sneaky peeky, but that was about it. But I'm excited to dig into these. I need like a little pick me up, and I thought a little new makeup and skincare would probably do that. Also in the box this month, Ipsy also gave me the perfect chocolate chunk cookie mix. I'm like, how cool is that? I gotta try and make those for my husband. And they also gave me the Loved 01? I've never heard of this, but it's a exfoliating cleanser. So that was exciting. So I'm just going to like totally dig into these boxes. I do have a link below if you do want to try Ipsy. The one I didn't sneaky peeky was the bag. This is the glam bag. I can't wait to see the bag this month. Oh! This is cool. Look, I just used my last beauty sponge, so I'm totally excited about that. Look at this for school. Oh my gosh, this is like so cute. This is like cheerleader glam. Why do I like this so much? That's adorable. Okay, so we got the Stone Street Soap House Hey Ho Body Souffle. I was like a beauty, so it's a body souffle. I got one of those. Why are my lights so bad tonight? The lighting is terrible. Someone commented that my hair looked good today. I don't know why my hair looks halfway decent today. I didn't do anything different, honestly. I just kind of like was outside in the weather today. I'm Red Wine Pore Tightening Mask by Tony Moly. I like Tony Moly. That's kind of cool. So I got that. And then, oh, I think this is a beauty product. Like makeup. Beauty Vault Regal Palette. Usually you don't get like a palette in the little bag. So this is exciting. What is it? What is it? It is, oh my gosh, that's the cutest little palette I've ever seen. You know what? I think this is going right in my purse. I like to do makeup touch-ups when I'm out, and this is the perfect little palette for that. And then the 5th product is the Professional Matte Primer by Benefit. I do like this. I use that a lot. So 5 products there, 4 plus the Beauty Blender. Where am I going to put this, you guys? My desk is a mess. I got problems. Okay, next up, boxycharm. Check it out. This is their mid-box. 5. Oh, I see a palette. I'm so excited. Oh, I gotta dig through this. I'm not gonna toss. I gotta do the palette first, you guys. Oh, it's Iconic London. Oh my gosh, I like Iconic London, I gotta say. Oh, this is pretty for fall. Look at these shades. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Oh my. I like every single one of them. Like a little shimmer there. Okay, my mom would love that blue one. My mother likes blue eyeshadow. I do not. So maybe I'll take this into her and try and cheer her up. We got that. I got a Floor and Bee Eyes Baby Anti-Aging Cream. Gotta try that. I got the Lip Potion Overnight Lip Mask by Kavas. Check that out. I got the, oh my gosh. I'm not even going to say it. I'm just going to hold it up because I totally forgot how to say this. I'm holding it up, you guys, because I'm just going to make myself look weird. It's a mineral baked highlighter. I like the mineral baked highlighters, by the way. And then I got the Keys Soul Care Firm Belief Smoothing Peptide Cream. Check that out. So that was the boxycharm. And then we have the Iconic box. This is supposed to be like $350 worth of stuff, I think. First up, I've got a brilliant cleansing gel from Famu. Famu. Is that what that is? I don't know. I'll try it. Check it out. I gotta try this. Brilliant cleansing gel. I like to try different cleansing gels. Sometimes I use 2 and 3 at a time. Let me see. I got a KVD pore refining primer. That's kind of cool. I will take a pore refining primer. I always had big pores throughout my whole life, so I do appreciate a good pore product. So check it out. That's going great on my makeup table. That's exciting. Oh, I see another. Oh, we have another Iconic London palette. Wow, 2 palettes this month, you guys. Oh, this is the blush. Okay, I'm actually really excited about this. I've been wanting a new blush palette. Why can't I? Oh, I'm trying to slide it. I gotta pull it, you guys. Do this. Oh, this is gonna be pretty. I know it is. Oh, look at this. That is like simply gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna use all these. That's really nice. Okay, I can do some serious good work with that. I need to do a makeup refresh. I got the Lith brushes. I always love brushes. I got the, this is cool. I need these actually. Facial Radiance Pads with glycolic and lactic acid for sensitive skin. I totally need these today. I'm going to put those right in the bathroom. Eye mask. Lenny loves these. I'm going to have to give them the eye mask. Patchology served chilled on ice. These go into your eye. And then you have no more under eye circles. I don't have too much of a problem with the circles yet. It's probably coming though. I got a weightless lip color by Kosas. I'm gonna see what color this is. Oh, it's warm rosy pink. Look at that. That's kind of cool. And then I also got the Fenty Skin Watchitone Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum. I could actually use this, you guys. I do have a couple of spots on my face where I do get like the dark patches. I've had them checked out, and it's basically just like an odd pigmentation problem that's like genetic that I get. I hate that though. It's kind of annoying when you get these big patches on the side of your face. So anyway, thank you so much, Ipsy. This is actually really fun to do tonight. I love everything. I feel like I got like one of everything. I got a lot of cool stuff. So anyway, if you want to try Ipsy, the link is below, but I was excited to do this tonight. Anyway, August boxes. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.